Hi, I'm Bill Dorian from Bruin Corporation. Today I'm here to talk to you about how to remove your sashes and clean your double sliders. First thing you want to do is move the sash towards the middle of the window, lift it straight up into the channel and pull it out from the bottom. That'll allow you to take the sash completely out. At that point you can clean both the front and back of the sash. If you do the same thing with this back sash, again slide it right towards the middle, lift it completely up into the channel and pull it directly towards you, and it'll come completely out. Once you've taken it out, you can clean both sides, vacuum out the tracks if you'd like to, then put them back in together. Again, taking the back sash first, make sure you put it into the back channel, slide it all the way up, slip it back down, closes easily, grab the front sash, do the same thing as well, push it right up into the channel, drop it down, and you're good to go. Thank you.